how can we apply design thinking for better upbringing of our kids?
बहुत ही अच्छा क्वेश्चन है ये, और बहुत ही मेरे ख्याल टाइमली क्वेश्चन है ये। तो पहली चीज जो हमें समझनी है पेरेंटिंग के लिए वो ये है कि आई ऑलवेज से कि two gifts which you can give. One gift is to your spouse, and second gift is to your children. The best gift you can give to your spouse is loyalty, ईमानदारी। उससे बड़ी कोई गिफ्ट नहीं होती आपकी स्पाउस के लिए, आपके स्पाउस के लिए। एंड द बेस्ट गिफ्ट यू कैन गिव टू योर चिल्ड्रन इज योर टाइम, समय। अब कुछ भी दे दो बच्चों को, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, अपना समय देना सबसे ज्यादा जरूरी है मेरे समझ में। Now for children, two things which I can offer to you. First thing is importance of unstructured play. अनस्ट्रक्चर्ड टाइम, अनस्ट्रक्चर्ड प्ले। हमने क्या किया है पिछले कुछ सालों में, स्पेशली जो वर्किंग क्लास है, डबल वर्किंग क्लास है जिसे बोलते हैं, उन्होंने बच्चे का समय बहुत ही ज्यादा स्ट्रक्चर कर दिया है। सुबह 6 साढ़े 6 उठेगा बच्चा, फिर ये होगा, उसके बाद ये होगा, उसके बाद ये, उसके बाद ये, और पूरा डे आपने पैक कर दिया। तो बच्चे के पास कुछ अनस्ट्रक्चर्ड टाइम बचा ही नहीं। Ah, I speak in English. Okay. So what you have done is that you have packed your child's time in such a manner throughout the day is that the child doesn't have any unstructured time. The child gets up in the morning, then goes for this class and then that class and that class. The entire day is packed in the name of discipline. But when you leave your child with unstructured time, is when the child becomes creative. That okay, I have 1 hour with me and I have nothing to do. What can I do? And that's where the child becomes creative in terms of can I pick up this toy and do something with it. So unstructured play and unstructured time is very critical for your child's psychological development. So give time to your child, play with your child, develop unstructured time and unstructured play. And the third critical thing that you need to have with your child is that don't be judgmental about your child. There might be instances where your child might start picking up something and may not continue. It's absolutely okay. Many times we think that I will send my child to a yoga class or to a violin class only if he or she will become a violinist going forward. That's absolutely okay. The child is experimenting. Allow the child to experiment. If you have money, you can entertain that. If you don't have money, then I think there are lots of other ways in which you can learn experimentation with the child. So experiment, allow the child to experiment without being judgmental. Spend as much time as with your child. I don't believe in the quality time concept because for a quality time you need a quantity time. Many parents have this belief that even if I spend 20 quality minutes with my child, that should be full enough in a day. I don't subscribe to that view because in that 20 minutes when your child has and she knows she only has 20 minutes, what quality are you talking about there? There's no quality in that. There's no quality without quantity of time. And unstructured play, don't pack your child schedule according to your views of efficiency. Efficiency is not required. Effectiveness is required for a child's development. So that's the design thinking view that I can offer as a parent also.
Wonderful.